Hello, thank you for allowing us to sponsor this webinar. I am Chris Goins, business developer with Bobbitt, and this is Katie Piercy with Bobbitt. We want to take a couple minutes to talk to you about our company and some of the exciting things that we have going on. In the past, you probably thought of Bobbitt only as a design build company, but that's no longer true. We are so much more than just a design build company. We'll take on projects as a negotiated general contractor, CM at risk, or design build. Our focus is to deliver the project in whatever delivery method is best for that client. Our markets range from Class A office to owner-occupied spaces and from flex to mixed use, and we work on buildings in both the private and public sector. Simply stated, we are easy to work with, and our decision makers are 100% local. So I'd encourage you to come try us out. It'll be a refreshing difference from what you're used to in the construction industry. We take on the hassles and challenges of construction, no matter how big or small, so that our customers and your customers can stay focused on their mission. Katie, do you want to take a minute to talk about your responsibilities?
Our design team has continued to push forward on pre-construction projects, 23 active projects currently. Construction drawings are still continuing to be submitted for permits, so we can easily push projects into the field. We currently have 5 architects, 2 full-time interior designers, and we've easily been able to transition to working from home. Design uses the latest BIM software and rendering software, as well as a cloud-based system, which allows us to collaborate in a virtual world. This time has allowed our team to refocus internal processes so we can continue to improve our design build experience for clients. And we've utilized this time away from the office for things like continuing education, connecting with our local reps and vendors to ensure that we're staying up to date on the latest products and design trends for our area. As a fellow T crew member, I look forward to working with and getting to know more of you.
Great. Thank you, Katie. We want to thank you for your time today, and we look forward to connecting with you all in person real soon. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions or if you have a client that's looking for a team with the experience and qualification Bobbitt brings to each project. Thank you.